We'll take a little tour of the yard here today. It's about 4:32 on 1/17/2012. Big snowstorm. Expecting a big one tonight, about 1 a.m. There's one here already, but yeah, so I'll take around the yard here and see what's going on. How's that? Okay, let's see. Oh, I think I'll go this way to the chicken coop and see how deep it is there. I don't know, 2 or 3 inches maybe. Still kind of wet and heavy. The big storm's supposed to be at 1 a.m. this morning. My raspberry bushes and boysenberries, my sawdust bins, and here's the chickens. Are 4:32. They're already gone to roost. With these 2 big pins, here they are, and then out here I got the three little ones here. Not little ones, but 3 that weren't getting along with anybody, and so I moved them in there. And they still lay eggs every day. Then I had a chance to feed all the birds, fill up all the feeders today on the roof. Feed all the feeders. And I had a chance to make a snowman here. Right here. Yes, I haven't named him yet, but done with spray paint. So, well, you can see these chickens here have outside door, and then they have one inside that little whole way into there. They go in there, and it's really warm in there. They want to get warm they can. They seem to like it. They get up and sleep outside. So, put the little eggs here, I think. I was like, check the brooder here. These chickens here. So I don't know what's going on here, if she's laying or not. I don't think so. Might. If she's laying, I'll pick it up later. You don't leave your chickens out here. There's water in the pen here. Don't freeze in here. And then I have the thermometer there says it's actually 32 outside right now, and it says it's about 50, almost 50. A little warmer in here. So let's close this up here. Just give me a minute. Sorry about that. This is, we're going to go into the pen where the chickens are at right now. See what kind of a deal is going in there. It's cold weather, you know. It's just freezing out here somewhat. They're all going up to roost. Lights will go on again at 3 o'clock in the morning. Automatic. Okay, so here we go. I got them up there. You can already see them, I think, up on the roost. This is interesting here. See down here, got the eggs in there. Look around for things. And come on, get off there. Come on, off. Come on, go, 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 go. So you know that I'm supposed to be on the ladder. Come on, go, 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 go. That's right. Thank you. Hi, Helen. This is Helen right here. She's the leader of the group, I think. They're all up there nice and comfy in here. It's about 40, pretty steady 40, because it's all insulated. I take this ramp down right here. We want to see what kind of eggs in there. See, got one here. What's going on there? But sometimes they go down there. They're down there. Usually they're down there because they have trouble, or they got it late, or they want to get out the first thing in the morning. took a measure of that right there. It was almost 5 inches on the hood of that car. It wasn't there earlier. I took it off. Then around the side of the house over here, measured at almost 9 inches of snow. Okay, that's it for now. So it's coming down at a pretty steady clip right now. So here it is, 3 o'clock in the morning on 1/18, and this snow here that's come down in the front of this truck has just started about half hour ago. We're supposed to be getting some more from we had today. We're supposed to get 8 to 11 inches. There's a lot of snow for around here. So it's supposed to be turning to rain by 10 a.m. in the morning. So here we are at about 5:20 in the morning a.m. You can see the snow's coming down here pretty good. Slowed down now though, a little bit. I think it's going to turn to rain here pretty soon. They're talking about it. But this, like I said, this truck here was empty before it snowed. You can see down here my footsteps. Over there, they're just covered up or whatever. So let's see what kind of deepness we got here. Six inches. Sorry, almost fell down. 6 inches. It's supposed to be 6 to 8 inches, I guess, total. But I'm not sure if it's going to make that. See the house on top of the roof there. It's pretty heavy there. And there's rain and snowing pretty good. I think it's going to turn to slush here in a few hours, I guess, what they say. So that's snow time. Snow time in Olympia, Washington. Big storm. Brr. Let me go back in. Okay, here we are at 5:30 in the back of the house. You see the snow here, pretty heavy here. Here's a table here. You can see on this table here that quite a bit of snow there. I was just cleaning that thing off of there, my little cover. Now let's see what kind of snow that we have, how deep this is on here. I'm still calling for about 14 inches, I think. That's a little over 9 inches right there. A little over 9 inches of snow has fallen since 1 o'clock this morning in 5 hours.